We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NDSN. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to right hand side, is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And third level highs. So let's zoom in the price. Price action, monthly time frame, bullish green doji is at a midpoint of area between the black SR line and the red SR line, which is our price action overall higher highs and price action overall third level highs. Current price is sitting at 241.84, so if price work is way up, it can tag that resistance line at 254.80, and we look for the push and the breakout. Before tagging that SR line, market can tag numbers of 248.01. If price draws back or retest, it can tag the support line of 220.54, and before tagging that, it can also tag the midpoint of that area, which will be the bottom of the price action wick at 231.36. If price action work its way up further, it's coming from multiple pushes to that bottom below price. So we can see that market did break a level, came back to retest the previous level, and then in that area identify the what? First, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom. So we can see that price action is in the midpoint of this area here. So we're looking for a break, a retest for that market to push up. Price action looks like a retest because it's sitting as a bullish green candle. So that market did spike up with that second last candle wick. And then that price action candle came back to retest, but still had momentum to push up. So a break and retest did happen near that midpoint line, and we'll see that as we walk down the time frame. And if that market does break and retest or identify the retest as we see and push up with another bullish green candle, we'll see that full formation of that double bottom. And then we're looking for the break and retest at the top of that overall resistance line for price action higher highs. If price action work its way down, it's coming from multiple pushes to that top, which in this area is identifying a double top, but just overall, which what we see is just a single top market push down. So market's coming from, if it pushes down, from a single top and a double retest, and it could drop down with a bearish red candle. Or that market can consolidate within that area with the price action, some of second last candle top side, and so that market breaks out. Walking down to the weekly time frame. So price action on the weekly time frame reading as a bullish green candle. So it spiked up an area of a high. So it spiked up the previous side and lost momentum. So we're going to see if that market reverses, but it may not reverse. Overall, it's still reading as price second, third, some of fourth, fifth, and some of sixth, the last candle. The market is creating that consolidation. So we're looking for the breakout to the bottom side or to that top side for that market to identify that market's going to move in that direction, unless we see that market keep consolidating. But within that area, so it's pattern inside pattern. So overall pattern, if this market's work its way up, we can see that market overall first, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom. Price second, third, fourth, fifth last candle are all retests. So that's an overall retest in that area, and we're looking for the market to blast off and push up. If so, price is coming from a double bottom and retest. Also within this area here at the bottom of that third and fourth leg and that first and second leg, we do have double bottom. So coming down in red, that first, second, third, and market pushed up for that fourth. Green candle right here spiked down, but that's a retest. So it's reading as a double bottom and a retest. Market pushed up. Even within this area here, coming down in red, we have the first, second, third. Market pushed up for the fourth. So we have another double bottom. And then same within this area here, when that market came back for that overall retest, it did create multiple pushes to that. It created a double bottom at that retest area, which is at that midpoint for that coming down in red first, second, third leg with the second last candle. Price action trying to push out with the bullish green candle. You can see a slight incline of a double bottom in that area. So it's an overall double bottom and a retest, and with all those major areas of the first, second, third, fourth leg, and after the retest as well, we can see, or within the retest, we can see those double bottom formations that can push that market up further. Walking down to a daily time frame, so price action daily time frame, reading as a bullish green doji, so it's indecisive. So everything on top of that price action wick to the bottom of that price action wick is all consolidation, as we can see. So this is where the market entered that consolidation, came back to retest, and you can see that formation of that first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest two, retest, and that market could push up coming from what? 4 pushes to that bottom, quadruple bottom, and the retest, market could push and break out. If it pushes down, market coming from multiple pushes to that top, first, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed down, came back to retest with the price action, and it could push down with the bearish red candle, creating that triple top of the retest or quadruple top in that area. But we do know that market is consolidating overall. Now we just entered the 4-hour time frame. We are between our SR lines that we created on an earlier time frame. So we're going to put a midpoint in that area, and we're going to put a zone around this midpoint, and we're going to take a look at what's going on. Added the midpoint between the blue SR lines. Now we're going to add the zone within that area, so we can take a little bit above, a little bit below the SR line, so we can take a look at what's happening within that zone. So we can see that market entered the zone in this area, spiked up once, spiked up twice, spiked up 3 times, spiked up 4, but still create that incline for that market to push and break out. So current price is sitting at second level highs. We have a midpoint, we have higher highs, we have second level lows, and we have overall lower lows in that area. So where the market is currently sitting at is second level highs. So you can see that market did spike down to that low first, so it's created that overall first, second price action is the retest. If it follows up with the bullish green candle, you see that overall incline W. If not, market coming from multiple spike up to that area, which would be like a double top that's reading in that area. 3-hour time frame, bearish red candle, so you can still come in back to second level lows. Is respecting it for that support so far, hasn't broken. So we're going to see if it's going to follow with a bullish green candle, push that market up. But on the 3-hour time frame, it looks like it reading as a double bottom of a retest. We'll see that much more clear on the 1 hour. Yes, we do that. See that first, second, third, fourth retest. Waiting to see what the market's going to do. Is it going to respect and push and break out back to that zone? If not, it's coming down, and now we get to see where it's coming down from, multiple pushes to that top. So we do see that first, second, third, fourth. It's like a triple top. First, second, third, fourth retest, market pushing down. All red candles spiked up that high, and the market's dropped back down to the second level low. So if it does break this level, it's coming from a double top and a retest or a triple top. Headed down to 30. Price action bearish red candle, large doji style candle. So that market is consolidating within that area. Still looking for that market to see if it's going to identify that first, overall second, third, push back up, bullish green. 15-minute time frame, bearish red candle, spike down, lost a lot of momentum, so it could be reversing. We'll see as that market time go on. Price in second, all side by side, so the market's consolidating on the 5-minute time frame. 3-minute time frame, price second within each other, still reading as consolidation, but some type of incline W, decline W. So we can see that first, second, third, fourth retest. We'll see that market going to push up with the following bullish green candle. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout, retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, NDSN, stock.